When it comes to finding survey instrument accessory dealers in Palam Vihar, one name that stands out is Scon Design. Scon Design is a reputable and reliable dealer that specializes in providing a wide range of survey instrument accessories to professionals and enthusiasts in the Palam Vihar area. With their extensive knowledge and expertise in the field, they are able to offer top-quality products and excellent customer service. One of the key reasons why Scon Design is the preferred choice for survey instrument accessory dealers in Palam Vihar is their vast selection of products. They carry a wide range of accessories such as tripods, prisms, poles, andDGPSsystems, among others. This allows professionals to find all the necessary equipment they need for their surveying projects under one roof. In addition to their extensive product selection, Scon Design also prides itself on its commitment to quality. They only source their accessories from trusted manufacturers, ensuring that customers receive products that are durable, accurate, and reliable. This is particularly important in the field of surveying, where precision and accuracy are crucial for obtaining accurate measurements. Furthermore, Scon Design understands the importance of providing exceptional customer service. Their knowledgeable staff is always ready to assist customers in finding the right accessories for their specific needs. Whether it's providing advice on which tripod is best for a particular surveying task or helping customers troubleshoot any issues they may encounter with their accessories, Scon Design goes above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction. When it comes to survey instrument accessory dealers in Palam Vihar, Scon Design is the go-to choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. So why settle for anything less? Choose Scon Design for all your survey instrument accessory needs in Palam Vihar. One name that sticks out when looking for survey instrument accessories vendors in Palam Vihar is Scon Design. Scon Design is a respected and trustworthy dealer with a focus on offering experts and amateurs in the Palam Vihar region a comprehensive selection of survey instrument accessories. They can provide high-quality items and first-rate customer service because of their significant knowledge and competence in the industry. The wide variety of goods offered by Scon Design makes them the go-to choice for survey instrument accessories dealers in Palam Vihar. They carry an extensive selection of extras, including DGPSsystems, tripods, prisms, and poles. This makes it possible for experts to find all the tools they require for their surveying work under one roof. Scon Design takes great pleasure in their devotion to quality as well as their wide range of products. They only purchase their accessories from reputable suppliers, guaranteeing that their customers will obtain items that are robust, precise, and trustworthy. In the discipline of surveying, where accuracy and precision are essential for taking precise measurements, this is very significant. Scon Design also recognizes the value of giving great customer service.